What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So when somebody walk up to you with an iPhone 16 telling you that they got the best phone on the planet, you pull out your Galaxy S25 Ultra and you pull out that S Pen and you tell them, who is your daddy, baby? Who is your daddy? And you put that S Pen back in there. Who is your daddy? So every time I get a new Galaxy device, I always like to make this video on how to make that sound when you pull out the S Pen. Also, I'm going to show you another tips and trick on how to get a clean HDMI feed out from your Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's have some fun. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I want to show you two tips and tricks for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, the detach and attach pen sound, which is relatively easy. And I want to show you guys how to get HDMI out if you're a content creator and you want to record yourself, or you have a switcher and you want to utilize your device cameras in your switcher, but you want to get rid of all that stuff that's on the screen. I'm going to show you that in this video also. But just like when I just took out the S Pen, and you get that lightsaber sound, and you can have any sound you want. Okay, so it's going to be two things you want to do, right? One thing, you have to get the sound, and the second thing, you have to download an app called GoodLock. So let's go to the sound first, because this is going to be important. Now, I use Zedge. You can download it from the Play Store, or I think I'll leave a link down in the description. Now, you do not have to log in. You do not have to pay for Zedge. The only caveat is that you will be shown ads if you're trying to download any sound from Zedge. But I have a free account. So the first thing I do, and as you can see, it popped up with an ad. Right at the top of the search bar, you want to have, if you're doing the lightsaber, since I'm doing the lightsaber, you have to have two audio files. You have to have lightsaber on and lightsaber off. And the reason why you want to have those two apps is because when you insert the pen, that's going to be lightsaber off. And when you attach the pen, when you take the pen out, you need lightsaber on. So I'm gonna go down to do lightsaber off. Okay, and once you do lightsaber off, you have a lot of choices here. Just listen to which one you want. Nope, that's the one I like. So basically what you want to do is you want to click on it and you hit download. Once you download it, it's going to ask you how you want it. You want to save to media file. Okay, you want to save this to media file, just so you know. I already have it downloaded, but yeah, so that's going to be lightsaber off. And next, you want to do lightsaber on. Okay, once I do lightsaber on, I find one that I like. That one sounds good. Click on it, and I also want to download it to media folder. Okay, you want to download it to media folder. So after you do that, you're done on Zedge or any application that you want to get your sound from. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to GoodLock. All right, you download GoodLock from the Galaxy Store. You have the Galaxy Store already on your phone. So you go to the Galaxy Store, you look for GoodLock. You download GoodLock, and you download an application that's called Pentastic. You want to go to Sounds. All right. And you have all kinds of different defaults and stuff like that. But no, you want to scroll all the way to the side, and you want to go to Custom. All right. When you go to Custom, you open it up, and you have two commands here: remove, insert. So when I hit remove, again, I want to go to lightsaber on, right in my media folder. I want to go to lightsaber on and hit done. And to insert, I want to go a lightsaber off and use. So basically that's it. That's all you got to do. All right, and so to test it out, there we go. All right, put it back in. So that's all you got to do to get that pen sound on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, which, it's pretty nice. Sounds really good. I'm a Star Wars fan. I'm a Star Trek fan, so that's why I like to have the lightsaber on and lightsaber off. I do this with all my Galaxy devices. Okay, so the next tip that I want to show you guys is how to get a clean HDMI out from your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, so one of the biggest issues of using your Galaxy S25 Ultra as a content creators device is that you want to utilize the rear cameras to film yourself. The front facing camera is okay, but your rear cameras will give you the best quality, period. But the problem is if you connect your Galaxy S25 Ultra to a monitor or something like that, you're going to get what's called all the stuff on the screen. As you can see, my Galaxy S25 Ultra connected to a monitor. And when I open up the camera app, I'm going to see all of this stuff. Now, if I've connected this to my switcher, then I will have an issue, because if I record on my switcher, I do not want all this stuff right here. Okay, so let me show you a way on how to get rid of everything here on this display and have a clean HDMI out. So we want to go back. Okay, we want to go back to GoodLock. Okay, you want to go back to GoodLock and you want to download what's called Camera Assist. All right, you want to download Camera Assist. And once you go download Camera Assist, you go to your camera app. Okay, once you go to your camera app, you go to your video, okay, and you click on this button right here, go to your settings, and right here, you're going to see a camera assistant. It's automatically going to pop up on your display. It's automatically going to come in your camera app by itself, okay, and when you click on that, you have to scroll all the way down to get what's called Clean Preview on HDMI displays. This is what you want to click on. Okay, so once you click that on and you go back to your camera, bam, you got a clean HDMI feed. So if I'm utilizing this for my video switcher, or if I wanted to just use it to to see a clean HDMI feed when I'm recording my rear camera, I can utilize a monitor and I could get rid of everything on the display and I can see myself full. So this is good. Okay, if I wanted to just say, hey, I wanted to record myself, but I wanted to use a monitor to record all my, content creation, because the cameras on here is fantastic, especially if you're using log. So if you want to utilize a monitor, right, with a clean HDMI out or your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you could do that. So yes, all you have to do is go to a GoodLock, download Camera Assist, and go back to your cameras, and you want to go back to your settings and go to Camera Assist and scroll all the way down, and you go to Clean HDMI Feed. Okay, let me show you demonstrate how it used to look. Okay, once you do that, this is how it used to look. Okay, which all this on, and if you're using this here, I use switches, and I might want to use a switcher, but I need a clean HDMI out. I can utilize that here on my Galaxy S25 Ultra. I hope you enjoyed this tips and trick video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. This is the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about tips and tricks. And anybody that asks you who is your daddy, you tell them the Galaxy S25 Ultra is your daddy. See you guys on the next video. Peace.